So will Category 5 Melissa have a calm in the middle of the storm? Will it stop and start again in Jamaica? I'm meteorologist Todd Gross. Let's go over the timetable of the storm. First, let's talk about why some communities will have an absolute clearing out in the middle of the storm before it comes whipping back in. It has to do with what you're looking at right there, the eye. What do you think happens in the middle of the eye? Nothing. It's sunny in the middle of the eye. In fact, the winds, even if it clouds over, will go calm in the middle for a period of time. Now, the size of the eye is unclear when it reaches the island. Right now, it's only 10 nautical miles wide. If there's an eye wall replacement and the eye becomes larger, then it could be an hour or more that the winds calm out completely before the storm comes back. Now, even though most of the island will be affected by the hurricane in one way, shape, or form, the actual eye is likely to go over St. Elizabeth, okay, in terms of that parish. And then it's going to move northeastward through northern Manchester and then through St. Anne and then out. Now, if it takes that track, I want everybody to realize the western half of the island at one point or another, you may have nothing going on. Do not go outside. The storm is not over necessarily. Wait for an hour or more, and this timetable is tomorrow. Towards dawn tonight, so that's tomorrow morning first thing, is when the eye is first going to make landfall. If you wake up and it's clear outside, that doesn't mean the storm is over. Then during the morning hours, it traverses the island, and then it reaches by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, this is approximate, the north shore of the island. So all morning long, there is a period of time where perhaps nothing will be going on. Now, as you know, I did another video where we talk about the strong winds, which could be borderline between Category 4 and Category 5, around 150 miles an hour right on the immediate coastline. We've talked about that. Also 150 miles an hour, not out of the question on the peaks that are in between, of course, the North Shore and the South Shore. And we talked about all the rain and everything else and the devastation and the mudslides and the landslides and the flooding. That's on the other video. But right now in this video, I want you to understand part of the island could have a pause during the middle of the storm, just like Gilbert did back in 1986. So get ready for perhaps a start, stop, and start again of Hurricane Melissa during the morning hours of Tuesday.